Okay, this is Ben with Dipple Plumbing. We're back at 4 Oak Park Court. Found the exterior yard trap and clean out. Now I'm able to come up and look at the other side of that corrugated pipe and the offset. So as I pull back, I'm starting at the other edge of the corrugated, the upstream side. Now we're coming back towards the downstream side. We can get a really good view of how this pipe is put in. I believe that that is concrete that the pipe is surrounded in. It's right in the location of the footing of the wall. I believe the footing of this pipe is actually through the footing of the wall itself. As we come back here, there are a couple minor issues to note. First being this crack at the top of that pipe right there, where it looks like it's a pipe hub, but it's not. You can see an additional crack right next to the hub. There's also a crack right here at this hub. That string is mine, connected to the camera. You can see a crack right there at that hub. And here is that offset. You can see where there's actually a gap there. And then the pipe is shifted. I believe this could successfully be lined and either straightened out or at least smoothed to the point where it won't hold water, or you won't have water infiltration into the soil. Right here you can see where the pipe is cracked again. And again. And we are now coming back into the yard trap. I'm going to go ahead and push through and try to make my way out to MSD's main. This part of the sewer lateral has not been inspected prior to my visit. Good amount of spider webs. You can see where the clay tile is damaged and broken right here in this spot. And this is MSD's main, I believe. If I can get my lens cleaned off, which I can't. was really hoping more water to be going through the main. Now we have an obstruction on the lens that I can't seem to free up. Right here is a transition into MSD's main. I'll zero the counter again. Some root infiltration, perfectly normal in clay tile. And you can see the damaged section of the clay should be coming up very shortly, which is going to be very, very difficult to see. I'm going to pull all the way back, clean the lens off, and run back in. And still can't see. I think that's about the best that we're going to get. Okay, right here past the yard trap, there's cracks in the clay. Much better. It's a little difficult to tell, but I believe that is a crack in the clay also. Right there through that turn. That is offset and cracked right there on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. I'm having trouble finding that broken section of pipe from the first pass. This must have been it right here. Okay, this will conclude our inspection.